activity, like the introduction of invasive species and land development that causes previously separated species to collide. Meanwhile, blue and green jays' most recent common ancestor lived at least 7 million years ago. Researchers say range expansion opens the door to hybridization. Given the accelerating pace of climate change, experts say novel hybrids will...
Wherever you are, get a precise weather forecast by activating your location in the Weather Network app.
This Outdoor Report is brought to you by Mitsubishi Motors Canada. Whatever your ambition is, drive it.
The Outlander PHEV offers better fuel efficiency than traditional gas vehicles by running on electric power for short trips, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. For those not ready to go fully electric, the Outlander PHEV is the perfect eco-friendly compromise.
Here is the most recent Outdoor Report in your region.
Sponge towels. Nothing absorbs like it.
Now you can earn PC Optimum points on all your DoorDash cravings. From late night munching to salad crunching, all your eligible restaurant and grocery orders now come with a side of PC Optimum points. Link your account and start earning today. PC Optimum and DoorDash, your door to earning more.
Tin's new craveable wraps. Craving something? Get your snack on with crispy seasoned chicken, lettuce, tomato, and your choice of Chipotle or ranch. For a limited time, grab any two for just $7.
Taste these cheesy jalapeno bites. They're not just starters. They're party starters. Tasties. Feed the fun.
It took me to distant worlds.
It navigated tough conditions.
It was built to last many of our Earth years.
With legendary longevity, trust the new Subaru Crosstrek, the true urban legend.
Tin's new craveable wraps. Craving something? Get your snack on with crispy seasoned chicken, lettuce, tomato, and your choice of Chipotle or ranch. For a limited time, grab any two for just $7.
When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut.
Kids have big dreams.
A dancer. Firefighter. A hockey player. I want to be addicted to drugs.
Wait. No kid says that. Addiction is not a choice. It's an illness, and it's treatable. Look past the illness to the person inside. The dreams are still there. Our words, our attitudes can help people with addiction recover and reclaim their dreams.
You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area.
We now offer 6 different layers on our map, such as radar, temperature, and highway conditions. Try them out today.
A monster hurricane in the Caribbean. But we begin in Australia, where powerful thunderstorms pounded southeast Queensland, bringing wind gusts up to 96 kilometers an hour and hail up to 5 centimeters wide. The Bureau of Meteorology issued multiple warnings for destructive wind, giant hail, and heavy rain across Brisbane, the Gold Coast, and Ipswich. The satellite imagery shows the massive eye of Hurricane Melissa as the powerful storm churns toward Jamaica. The National Hurricane Center warns of destructive winds, life-threatening flash flooding, and landslides for parts of Jamaica and southern Hispaniola. And Dominican Civil Defense's crews waded through ankle-deep floodwaters after Hurricane Melissa's outer bands caused torrential rain. Local officials say there are more than 100,000 homes without water service in the Dominican Republic, with more dangerous weather ahead. Hurricane Melissa is expected to be a devastating storm. On Monday afternoon, it strengthened to a Category 5 hurricane, wind speeds 280 kilometers per hour. And with winds at 280 kilometers per hour, that makes this storm the strongest in the world in 2025. Before this, it was Super Typhoon Ragasa, which was 270 kilometers per hour, also a Category 5 storm. So what are we worried about with this as it makes landfall in Jamaica? Catastrophic winds capable of total destruction, rain, life-threatening flash flooding, numerous landslides expected through Tuesday, storm surge, life-threatening power and communication. We're expecting that we won't have a lot of communication with Jamaica. They've closed both airports. We're not sure when those will be up and running again. We could see storm surge 3 to 4 meters. And look at this rainfall. Localized rain could be as much as 1,000 millimeters of rain, but most areas seeing over 400. Here's a look inside the storm by the hurricane hunter. Unbelievable. How does warm water impact hurricanes? Here's Mark Robinson.
Hurricanes are storms born from the ocean. Unlike temperate cyclones, which get their energy from the temperature difference between two air masses, hurricanes get their energy from the warm tropical waters. You need about 26 or 27 degrees Celsius to a depth of about 150 meters to sustain a hurricane. Any colder than that, and either the hurricane won't get going or it will weaken very rapidly. This is also why we don't have a lot of very strong hurricanes north of Cape Hatteras, and especially as we get up to Nova Scotia. Those cold waters simply won't sustain very strong hurricanes. This is also why climate change can potentially be so dangerous. A lot of the energy, or most of the energy from our warming planet is going into the oceans. It's warming the waters and potentially creating conditions that will sustain or develop stronger hurricanes all the way up and down throughout the Atlantic and Pacific. And this is why ocean scientists and meteorologists are so concerned about severe storms.
Did you change your cell phone? Make sure to download the Weather Network app. Get everything you need to better plan your day or weekend.
Here's what's coming up on the Weather Network. Hurricane Melissa has become the most powerful storm in the world this year. We will keep you updated with the latest from Jamaica as it makes its way towards the shore.
I already do my shopping, so now I'm just here to get some gas, and I was trying to see if I can get a generator.
Lineups at gas stations, grocery stores, and hardware stores have begun as people prepare for Hurricane Melissa's landfall. At 23 after the hour, we interview some of the local residents the days before the historic storm.
So what do Jays have against your paint job?
Blue Jays have been recorded picking loose paint off the sides of houses, and it's left naturalists baffled. We go into why this might be happening and how it could actually help the Blue Jays later. With the sports team becoming more popular in the southern states, so is the actual Blue Jay. Blue